So my first vlog is going to be about the hike on Bjelasnica mountain from Umoljani village that you can see in the background a little bit to Obalj Peak, from where we will see Lukomir Village, which is the most highest and isolated village in Bosnia and Herzegovina. So this is, you can see village Umoljani. It's around 1,300 meters of altitude. Here in the background you can see a little bit of Treskarca mountain. So we will see what view is going to be when we come to Obalj Peak. Obalj Peak is at 1,896 meters of altitude. So we're going to climb something around 500 meters of altitude difference from Umoljani to Obalj Peak. So you can see the altitude of Gradina, 1,490 meters. So this is, you can see the sign Via Dinarica Trail, part of the Via Dinarica White Trail. So from here you can, from Gradina you can go to Obalj Peak, 3 hours. This is the trail that we are taking, Lukomir via Obalj, 3 hours and 30 minutes. And then this is, if you go from Lukomir via Studeni Potok, you need 3 hours to arrive. Studeni Potok is in this direction. Maybe we'll go back that way to the canyon of Rakitnica. So this is Gradina. So you can see there's nobody living now in winter, even though there's not that much snow now. It's really poor winter. This is a perfect example of the houses that people, shepherds, build in their summer settlements. So they are quite small, made from rock, and then on top of it, above the wooden roof, you have the metal because of the rough wind. So we need to climb to that ridge. We cannot see Obalj from here, but we are going, this is the trail from Gradina. Then we are going to go above, across these glades to that peak, and then across the ridge to Obalj. So we can see Treskarca mountain, and in the valley Studeni cold creek, but now there's not that much water, so you can maybe see a little bit of in the snow, like snake movements. So we can see Obalj Peak, that peak covered with the shrubs. This is the ridge, and on the end you can see the highest peak, observatory. So this is, we arrived to the ridge, and this is the final ascent that we have to Obalj Peak. We have 2 dogs with us from Umoljani village. So as you can see, even though it's winter, now we are walking on the grass this part. Actually, majority of the hike was walking on the grass. Just a little bit of snow, even though it's now almost end of January. So we have 2 dogs with us. This white one, ciao Bieli, and Crni. So we can see Gradina, shepherd settlement, and below a little bit of Umoljani and Studeni potok, creek and the valley of Studeni potok. Above Traskavca mountain, then a little bit of Visočica, the background, Puzim Peak, and behind Puzim we can see Lelija and Zelagora. So these are the last few steps before coming to Obalj. We can see the canyon of Rakitica, Visočica mountain. So Rakitica is dividing Bjelasnica and Visočica. And you will soon see Lukomir Village. So we can actually see one house in Lukomir Village.